Ever wondered what causes those pesky hiccups? Well, it's all about your diaphragm, that muscle at the base of your chest. When it gets irritated, it starts to spasm, causing you to take in air suddenly. And voila, a hiccup. Common culprits of this irritation include eating too quickly, consuming spicy foods, or drinking carbonated beverages. Even emotional stress or excitement can set off a round of hiccups. So next time you're hiccuping, remember it's just your diaphragm throwing a little fit. But don't worry, it'll calm down soon enough. Until then, maybe try holding your breath, sipping water, or even a good old scare. Because, who knows, it might just do the trick.